truck spotting, but not too much.
Captain's log. Stardate 40.325.115.E1006.790.
Good evening, people. Truck spotting, but not too much. Just arrived in Prince George. We are on the side of the road because tomorrow morning we're gonna meet with one of my viewers, because I cannot call him a fan because I don't know. Whatever. One of my viewers, I think from the beginning, Mr. Grant from Prince George. And he selected the spot, and we are close-ish to that spot. So not many trucks, just flatbeds. And also, after driving 7 hours and not stopping, I kinda need a walk and a stretch. I didn't expect this trip to go so well. Again, I did 7 hours like the previous time, but I was a lot heavier. So maybe after Cashay Creek I had less traffic and it was smoother, because yeah, 7 hours great from Hope to here. Worked out great. Tomorrow morning delivery, and Edmonton, empty to Edmonton. Sorry. One thing that I remember today is, and this is my experience, and I'm not putting all the people in the same bucket, is that like the older, I'm not gonna say older generation, but the guys that have old iron, let's call it, Peterbilt's, Kenworth's, Max, stuff like that, they don't really, at least in my experience, and I'm not throwing anyone under the bus, but in my experience, they don't flash. They don't like, hey, it's danger up ahead, hey, it's a radar, hey, it's like police, hey, it's like a dead deer or something. Because I presume, at least again in my experience, is like, this piece of shit with these new plastic trucks, blah blah blah, shit trucks, automatic trucks, shit, not gonna flash them. My experience is like that, because today I had some trucks flash me, like the newer models. Like, okay, I know there's construction up ahead, so maybe they're flashing about that, or there's some sort of police or some sort of something. But none of the old iron flashed me. One flashed me, and we can see it on the stream. Nobody else. And this remembered me that in my 7 years in North America, my experience, as far as I can recall it, is like those kind of people don't flash. Again, maybe it's my experience, maybe I recall bad, but I think since we are already like, at least I have this mentality from Europe, because in Europe truck drivers are trashed a lot, because in Europe you go to beaches, you drink, you cook at the side of the road. So I'm assuming the image of truck drivers here in North America is not as like, oh my god, the truck drivers are so nice. So I think having this community and then split it in more, new trucks, new truck drivers, immigrants. I'm an immigrant. I consider myself a decent driver, not a shit driver. But again, I don't know, maybe I'm a shit driver. So even if we're like a community that's not seen well, and now you have to split it, old iron, immigrants, bad, it's like, why? We are all truck drivers, we should all help each other as much as possible, doesn't matter what. But again, I'm the new guy on the block here, even though half my career is in North America and half is in Europe. And when I say Europe, it's from Norway to Spain and anything in between. So yeah, anyway, that's my rant for tonight. Mr. Grant, see you tomorrow morning. My mama criminal, criminal, criminal.